Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhawan e-learning app. We have completed exercise 2.1. Okay. Now today we're going to start the new exercise 2.2. But before starting the exercise, I give you some introduction that what we're going to learn in exercise 2.2. So let's start. Exercise class 7th, listen to fraction. Exercise 2.2. 2.2 is about the multiplication of fractions, that how you multiply 2 or 3 fractional number. So in multiplication of more than 2 fractional number, we do multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator, like this. Product of two fractions means when you multiply two fractional number, then the product will be equal to product of numerator upon product of denominator. When I give you the example, you will clearly get to know this. Example, 5 upon 7 get multiplied by 3 upon 8. Okay, so for this, multiply 5 into 3 upon 7 into 8. Multiply the numerator upon multiply the denominator. So 5 3s are 15 upon 7 8s are 56. Suppose example number 1, example 2. Suppose the question is given like this: 8 into 5 upon 13. Then we assume 1 in the denominator of this 8 upon 1. We assume 1 in the denominator and then multiply 5 upon 13. So we do 8 into 5 upon 1 into 13. So 8 5s are 40 upon 13 ones are 13. Third example is, if 3 whole 1 upon 2 into 5 whole 3 upon 4. Okay, then your first step is to change the mixed fraction into improper fractional number. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 into 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23 upon 4. So 7 into 23 upon 2 into 4. It comes 7 3s are 21 to carry 7 to 14 16 upon 8. You can change this fraction in the mixed form also. So it will be 20 whole 1 upon 8. Okay, 20 whole 1 upon 8. I hope that you all have done the homework which I gave you on Saturday. Okay. Now the fourth example will be, sometime you get the question like this: 18 upon 5 into 15 upon 21. So, or 27 you can take. Okay, so here you do like this: 18 into 15 upon 5 into 27. So if we observe this question, we find that here is the cancellation is, we can apply the cancellation between 18 and 27 or 15 and 27. So first we cancel this. 3 5s are 15 and 3 9s are 27. 5 1s are 5, cancel. 9 2s are 18. So in the numerator only 2 into 1, 2 comes, and 1 into 1, 1. So there is no need to write 1 in the denominator in your answer. Okay. One more question. 4 upon 5 into 35. So 4 upon 5, assume 1 in the denominator. Very good. So cancel this. 4 into 35 upon 5 into 1. So 5 1s are 5, cancel, and 5 7s are 35. 7 4s are 28, in the denominator 1. So again ignore it. Suppose question is find 2 upon 3 of 3 kg. So you can do like this: 2 upon 3 into 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So 3 kg is equals to 3000 gram upon 1. So 2 into 3000 upon 3 into 1. Cancel this. It comes 2000 gram or 2 kg. Clear? On the behalf of this explanation, your homework is do question number 1, question number 2 of exercise 2.2 in your classwork copy. Okay, and in my next video I give the solution of this homework. You can match your answer with this. Okay, thank you class.